Welcome to our videos on advanced features of Google AdWords. In this video, we'll get started with a multivariate testing experiment. Okay, now let's get started with multivariate testing. So create another experiment to go alongside our A/B testing experiment. Okay, so multivariate experiment, create. Okay, this is more involved than A/B testing, so let's go through this. Identify experiment pages, go. Name your experiment, experiment name, multivariate test. Identify your test page. Okay, I'm going to quickly have to create some pages. So Dreamweaver, File, New, OK. Go to Design View, and let's say Multivariate Test Original Page. Okay, let's save that, and I'll save that as Test 1. Multivariate Test Original Page. And okay, let's go back. Identify your test page URL. Okay, let me go to Dreamweaver, close the original version of the test page, close that, and let's upload it. So, okay, over on the left is the page I just created. And okay, let me just rename it test1.html, just because I prefer to end all my web pages in .html. And on the website here, I'm going to create a subfolder, because in the root are the A/B testing pages. So let's create a subfolder, and let's call it MV for multivariate. So let's go into the MV folder and upload that page. Okay, it's back to AdWords, test page URL, http://www.demonstrationdomain.com/mv/test1.html. And if I've typed that in correctly, hopefully it will tell me. And okay, it's not going to tell me. Identify your conversion page. Okay, I need to set that up. So what I'm going to do is quickly create a conversion page. File, New, Create, MV, Conversion Page. File, Save, and I'm going to call it Converted. Converted.html. That's fine. Save. And back to FTP, and let's upload that as well into the MV folder. Okay, back to AdWords, and quickly type in that address, http://demonstration-domain.com/mv/converted.html. Okay, continue. And here's the important part. Plan your experiment. Before you can begin the technical setup of the experiment, you'll need to decide which is the specific content you'd like to test on your test page. So choose your page sections. And it says here, your marketing team should decide which sections of your test page you would like Website Optimizer to vary. Examples are headlines, images, testimonials, buttons, and promotional copy, or any combination you wish. You could test different background colors. You can test having navigation at the top of the page, at the bottom of the page, different proximity of order buttons, anything you wish. And then it says, review desired page sections with your technical team. Okay, so let's imagine we've made all those decisions, and let's continue. So now begins the technical part. Who will install? I will install. It's either that or the web team, and that's me in this case. And again, it works with JavaScript, so continue. OK, test page. Add control script, tracking script, and identify your page sections. So it's quite involved, and you can view some sample source codes. Let's take a quick look. And here are some sample source codes. The control script. Importantly, it's different than the A/B testing script. It needs to be placed before the head tag, the closing head tag. The control script goes there. Then page section script defines the sections in your page that you'd like to vary as part of your experiment. So that specific script needs to go, as you can see, in multiple sections. For every item on the page that you want to test, you need to set up a different area of code for that specific item. In this example, they're testing by this bicycle, the headline, and that's one bit of code that's highlighted. The bicycle image is another bit of code, and there's a third bit of code there. And lastly, the tracking script is added just before the closing body tag. Okay, let's start going through this. So, control script, but again, not very helpful text here. But it's told us in the help that it goes just before the closing head tag. So click to select, right-click copy, and let's go to our page in Dreamweaver.